Welcome back to Automotive Widgets. If you're a Toyota Tundra owner looking to upgrade your ride, stance, and performance, this video is for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best rims for Toyota Tundra you can grab right now on Amazon, from rugged off-road alloy wheels to sleek OEM takeoffs. We've done the research, checked specs, and read through hundreds of real owner reviews, so you don't have to. Whether you want something aggressive for weekend trails or a smooth, factory-fit look for daily driving, we've got you covered. Stick around till the end for our top recommendation and pro tips on fitment and maintenance. Number 5. Matte Black Alloy OEM Takeoff Rim. The 20-inch painted matte black alloy rim, designed as an OEM takeoff for the Toyota Tundra 2022-2025 models, offers a stylish upgrade that fits nearly seamlessly for owners seeking factory-look performance. According to the listing, this rim uses the correct bolt pattern, 6x139.7, and wheel size for the latest Tundra generation. In practical use, owners appreciate the large 20-inch diameter for its aesthetic impact, especially when paired with wider, more aggressive tires. The matte black finish adds a rugged aesthetic that goes well with dark-colored Tundra trims or when you want contrast on lighter colors. One forum owner commented, "My Tundra has 20s, and I've come within millimeters of curbing the wheels a few times already. This highlights a trade-off. While 20-inch rims look great, they can reduce sidewall height on equivalent tire diameter and therefore increase sensitivity to curbs and off-road damage." Fitment for 2022-25 Tundra is promising since the rim is listed as a genuine takeoff. That means the hub's centric fit, lug pattern, and offset should match without modification. The build quality of the alloy provides the benefits of lighter weight compared to a heavy steel wheel, which can help ride quality and fuel efficiency slightly. However, there are caveats. Because of the low-profile nature of 20-inch setups, you'll incur a firmer ride compared to 18-inch wheels with taller sidewalls. Community feedback confirms this. The matte finish may scratch or scuff more visibly in off-road conditions or tight urban situations. Since it's listed as takeoff, you may find limited choice of finishes or full sets available, potentially increasing cost or limiting spares. Number 4. Machined and black alloy wheel rim. The ALY 75157U45N rim offers a strong mix of factory-fit reliability and upgraded aesthetics for the Toyota Tundra. This 18x8 machined face wheel with black spoke insets is listed as a direct replacement for 2014-2021 Tundra models and may fit earlier 2007-2013 trucks depending on specs. From performance and usability standpoints, this rim shines in several ways. The aluminum alloy construction keeps weight reasonable compared to heavier steel wheels, which helps with ride quality and fuel efficiency. The machined finish gives a premium look, while the black insets add visual contrast, making the wheel pop on darker vehicle colors or when paired with off-road tires. The exact match to OEM bolt pattern, hub bore and width means installation is typically straightforward with minimal need for offset adjustment. A user review on one retailer's site noted, "Excellent replacement for stock Toyota rims at a great price." On the usability side, the rim handles daily driving, towing, and moderate off-road use well. Because it mimics OEM styling, it blends seamlessly with factory styling packages, yet allows for individuality, thanks to the two-tone finish. However, some practical caveats apply. While it's an upgrade in aesthetics, it doesn't drastically change performance versus other aftermarket wheels of similar size. Some users may note finish vulnerability, curbing brake dust, or the fact that center cap's TPMS sensors may not always be included, so you may need to reuse factory parts. Number 3. Toyota Tundra Silver Steel Wheel. The replacement Toyota Tundra 2007 to 2017 18-inch silver steel wheel is a no-frills, factory-style upgrade designed for owners who value durability and compatibility above flashy aesthetics. With its 18-inch diameter and silver finish, this steel rim maintains the original equipment look of the Toyota Tundra while offering the rugged build that steel wheels are known for. The 5-150 bolt pattern aligns with many Tundra and Toyota Sequoia variants, and the wheel's 18x8 size fits many stock setups. In real-world use, owners appreciate how the steel wheel stands up to rough weather and road salts, without the worry of intricate finishes peeling or chipping. One buyer noted that the wheel fits perfectly on my 2011 Tundra and has survived winter roads without corrosion issues. Its more substantial weight compared with alloy wheels means you won't gain much in performance, but for those needing rugged dependability, e.g., fleet use, heavy hauling, or replacing a damaged wheel, this option stands out. Since it's a more basic model, expect fewer styling options and less visual flair than premium alloy rims. Number 2. RockTrix RT110 rim. The RockTrix RT110 is an 18x9 wheel designed for modern trucks, including the Toyota Tundra. According to the manufacturer, it supports a 5x150 bolt pattern with a 10.1mm center bore, matching the Tundra's hub specs. This rim's real-world feedback confirms it suits off-road setups and trucks with lifted suspension. A dedicated forum user wrote, "Even though they have rock rash, my RockTrix wheels have been the model of reliability." From a performance standpoint, the RT110 offers a strong blend of style and utility. The 7 split-spoke mesh design enhances airflow around brake components, which is a plus for heavy-duty driving or towing scenarios. Many Tundra owners highlight the fitment. The offset, often listed as ET12 or plus 12mm depending on variant, allows for wider tires without excessive protrusion, important for daily driving and off-road clearance. The matte black finish provides a sleek, rugged look and helps conceal brake dust, while the manufacturing quality aligns with expectations for full-size truck applications. That said, some caveats arise. A few users reported the need to confirm hub-centric rings for a perfect fit on the Tundra hub, and some assert that the finish may pick up light curb marks on tighter trails. One user on a forum noted the cost to benefit was impressive. "I paid $119 each. My RockTrix wheels have been the model of reliability." Number 1. RockTrix RT105 rim. The RockTrix RT105 18-inch rim is a perfect fusion of durability and aggressive styling for Tundra owners who crave both looks and performance. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, it's compatible with Toyota Tundra, Land Cruiser, Sequoia, and even Lexus LX570 models. The 18x9 size with a 12mm offset delivers a confident stance and wider track, ideal for lifted or leveled trucks. Users appreciate its matte black powder-coated finish, which not only resists corrosion, but also matches a wide range of tire types. The rim features a 110mm center bore, ensuring a snug, vibration-free fit, and its 6-spoke design enhances brake cooling efficiency. Off-road enthusiasts report noticeable stability improvements and reduced wobble on uneven terrain. Whether you're towing, off-roading, or upgrading aesthetics, the RT105 offers a factory plus upgrade that doesn't compromise reliability. So there you have it, our top 5 best rims for the Toyota Tundra. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive gear reviews, wheel guides, and truck performance tips. You'll find all the product links in the video description below. Check them out to grab the latest prices and availability. Thanks for watching Automotive Widgets, where we help you drive smarter, upgrade better.